Hi guys, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class we saw this data here. If I fill this, if I enter the product code, relevant product details should be displayed. If you enter the quantity and click add button, this relevant data should be added into the below table, product table. Okay, let me see how to do the task. Right, so let's go to the project here. Now here I'm going to create another one is here. Function, you have to write another function, add products. Right, now here I'm going to create a variable var products equal, you have to write like this. So we have to write first one is this one. Just copy this one, this line simply, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. The first one should be, we have to write as a barcode, sorry, product code. So what is the name of the thing? This one, product code. We have to change the name as product code, right, equal into the variable. You have to write as a PRO code. Right, this is the thing we have to write like this. The same thing you have to add, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, this one should be pname this pname. Right, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. Right, now here we have to write as a this one. Right, now here this one should be price. So here write as a price. The final one should be the total. So this is the total. Here also total. That's the only thing you have to write. Right. Finally, we have to write the button. After that, we have to write the button. So I already written the code here. I just copy and paste it. If I write this one, it takes too much of time to complete the project. So that's the thing we have to write here. Right. After that, we have to write the add row function. This one should be product. This product we have to paste it here. Right here. Right. This function we have to create. So after that, we have to clear the form. After add the products, form should be clear. So what is the name of the form? This is the name of the form, right? Control C to copy. So we have to write as like this, simply $sign symbol. We have to write, you have to put the, you have to paste the form. Right. After that, we have to write like this, dot reset. Right, you have to call this method, form should be reset. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Perfect. After that, we have to create the variable total equals 0. We have to calculate the total. After that, we have to write a function. We have to create the function add row, this one. That's a function you have to create. Right, that's the stuff we have to do. Right, now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create a variable var table, right, variable table. Right, after that we have to write this one. It is display on the product list. What is the table name? You have to put it give here. When you click add button, the data should be added into the table. Right here, this table body, it's added. Right, so this ID we have to copy and paste it here. And T body. Within the T body, the details should be pasted. right? That's the thing we have to write here. Right, simple. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the another variable row. Here we have to design the table. So how to design the table is you have to write like this $sign. You have to write the $sign. Here we have to write you have to write like this. Here we have to inside the $sign you have to create the table. You have to write tr mean table row, here table row plus first one should be we have to write as a button. So we have to see the simply you have to write a td inside the tr row. We have a td column td, so td we have to write a button. Here we have to this td you control C to copy, control V to paste here. We have to close the td. In between this td we already written the button here, control C to copy, control V to paste here. So it's easy to complete the project, right? You have to write like this. Okay, here this is the button. So inside this button we have to write the delete, this button for delete the product. So here we have to write the on click method. We have to write delete row, this, right? That's the thing we have to write. At the end we have to put the plus. Okay, after that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create another td. Here we have to write like this. Simply we have to write td. You have to close the td. It's very important stuff. After that we have to write the efficient way to plus, right? This is stuff we have to first do it. After that, very simple, we have to write the way it like this product. This is a product table dot first one should be what the first one you have to add is a bar, this one product code. You have to control C to copy dot product code. That's the only thing we have to write. Here in between these two we have to write like this colon. This one should be here we have to write as a double quotation mark. In between the 3d you have to write like this 2 plus sign. That's the stuff we have to write. Very simple, right? The same way you have to write the another product as well. Control C to be, control V to paste. Second one should be product name. Third one should be control C to be, control V to paste. Price, paste, right? Simple. That's the stuff we have to write. Okay, price, we have to forget one thing, the quantity. We have to forget it. Price, control C to copy. This one should be after the price quantity. We have to forget this one. Here also we have to write as a price, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be quantity. That's stuff we have to write. After that, after complete all the relevant stuff, you have to close the td. After close the td is you have to write again this tr tag to close. You have to complete the bracket. You open the bracket, you have to end the bracket here, right? Like this way you have to write. After that, what I'm going to do is here you have to write a row. This row function row dot, we have to add the row, this data, so dot data here we have to add this one. First one should be product code. This one product code comma you have to write this one. So you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here. Product code we have to add the same thing. You have to write the another thing as well. Control C to copy, control V to paste here. Second one should be p name. This p name, same p name, write p name, control C to copy, control V to paste here. The same thing you have to copy and paste it here. After that, price, control C to copy, control V to paste here. After that, quantity, the final one should be total. This total should be paste it here, quantity paste it here, price paste it here, right? Like this way, if we added into the table row like this. This is the code we have to write. After that, okay, right. After that, what I'm going to do is here we have to write the things for that. We have to calculate the totals, so we have to already return the total variable above, so get it them total plus equal, we have to write the number, this one we have to write the total here. This is the total, product total, we have to get it here, this one. That's stuff we have to write like this, simple. After that, what I am going to do is we have to pass into the relevant values. The totals we have to pass into the relevant text box, this text box. So we have to, what is the name of the text box? This one we have to change it as a final total. Final total, the ID should be, we have to change it as a final total, because we have already, we have a text box name total, so we have to change this one as a, this text box we have to name it as a total, we have this name change it as a final total, so that we have changed this one as a final total. We have to change the ID final total, so we have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? Final total, so we have to display the final total, so $, final total, like this way you have to write dot well. Here we have to call this total. That's the stuff we have to write, simple, right? After that we have to what I'm going to do is here, after that we have to call this row, this table. After that we have to call this table dot append method, and we have to pass this row here, right? Now let's check whether anything wrong here on this code. Here I have put 2 times here, right? Now it's perfect. Now after that, go above, I have to call this add product method when you click this button. When you click this button, it is added on this table, right? So this is the button, right? This is the button. So here you have to write the method on click. Here you have to paste this method, right, inside this on click method, right? That's the stuff you have to do. Now let's save all and check whether it's working fine or not, right? Quantity, click add one, here it's working perfect. Here you can see the total here. Now I am going to add another product, mobile, to here. Now it's working perfectly, right? Now what I am going to do is, if you click delete button, the particular product should be deleted and total should be reduced, right? Now let's see how to do the task. Very simple, this one. So I no need to write again by again, so just go Control C to copy. I'm going to paste it here, the same code here, right? Here just put it here, right? I'll paste it here, right? Just remove product, right? Here what I did is, here when the person click on click method, I have wrote this button on click method here, right? On click method. So when the person click on click method, delete row function, it's coming here, and here this is one will be the deleted, right? After that we have to write another function for the delete and reduce the price. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste this function, right? Function row e here, this one here, this how we can reduce the total. Okay, I have created the variable, this one total, this is a parent, find this last td, this one, okay, last td, this total should be there. Okay, last TD, the total should be there, amount should be there. If you reduce that one, so here it is reduce the total variable also. Here I already create the variable above. It will be here we have to write like this, it is reducing. If you write like this, it is increment. If you write like this, it is reducing the total. So after that you have to pass the total here and it will be reducing. After that you have to remove the row like this, parent remove, right? That's the stuff you have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, 2, right, now 3, right. Now if you want to remove this one, click delete, remove. So here it's the item should be removed, but total should be not reduced. Why? What's the problem here? Here the problem is this one. This one should be final total, right? Final total, right? That's a tough you have to do. That's a problem, right? If you remove the row here, it will be removed, right? Here it's automatically remove the stuff, right? Now after that we have to calculate this stuff, right? When the person pay the bill, balance should be displayed, right? The same code you have write in the this one, this code, function code. You have to copy this one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. The same code here we have to write the what is the calculation part. We have to write here this one. We have to this one, this two, total and balance, right? This is a pay amount. This is a total. This is a pay amount, right? Balance should be displayed. So here what I am going to do is here first pay. After that final total. First you have to write this one as a pay. Another one is a final total. Final total, right? Right, like this. Now I am going to pay amount minus final total. You write a final total here. This one should be, we have to change it as a final total. Final, just like final total. Dot. The same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. That's the stuff we have to write. Right. Now here we have to write the same thing, fine. Sum, right? This one should be display on the bell. The balance should be displayed on the bell, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Simple. So to pay the bill, right? Here the balance should be displayed here. Simply the balance should be displayed here, right? Now it's a very simple code. You have to write like this. Okay, the final mean you have to calculate the balance part. What is the relevant columns? You have to get it here. This is the ID of the total, and you have to, this is a pay, so you have to get these two values here, and you have to here you have to minus it. Pay from the pay, you have to minus it the final total, right? After get the total, it display on the variable sum. You have to get it here and put into the balance text box, right? I hope you guys you understood this simple point of sales part tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.